Looking for an easier way to connect high-frequency waveguides? This two-part mechanism, the Guidelock, fits most waveguides with UG387 flanges. The Guidelock is quick and easy to use. Slide the pegs of the bottom half into your waveguide. Once properly positioned, align the other half opposite and screw it into place, and you're finished. The threaded cap and pegs provide a precise connection, without cocking, every time. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Even at more than 4 times the speed, the traditional method is slower than using the Guidelock. To find out more about purchasing the Guidelock and the other work that we do, you can visit our website at the address on screen or linked in the description below. Thanks for watching!